Alright, so after discussion of popularity-based recommendation system, now let's try to understand the different recommendation system which is called as content-based recommendation system. So this is another recommendation system which is most popularly used. And in this recommendation system, what we try to do is user come to a website or any other portal and then they start searching for the item. So to search for a specific item, they go to the search menu which is provided on the interface or the website, and then they start typing something. So whatever be the search that user has entered in the search box, based on that search, based on that search keyword, automatically all the available items are being matched from the inventory, and then whoever be the item who are matching most to the search criteria, they are getting shown up, right? So in this recommendation system, the content of item, so content of item as in it may be the description of the item, it may be overall detailing of the item, it may be an overview which is provided to the item, or maybe a keyword or tagline which is associated with the given item. Whatever be the search criteria which is provided, it is matched with all these things, and whoever is the closest match, that item comes up as a recommendation, right? So in this recommendation system, it is nothing but a kind of matching of different words from the maybe from the description, maybe from the title, maybe from some other area, right? So here the idea is to match the search criteria with the given description. Now for this matching, what we have to do is we have to use natural language processing, that is another branch of machine learning, and with the use of different NLP concepts, what we are going to do from the given I would say repository of the different titles, we are going to match different items one by one, and whoever are the item who are closest match to the given search criteria, they will be thrown, and that kind of comparison or that kind of matching is being done by the different concepts of NLP, which is natural language processing. Now how these matchings are being done, how it is performed, how we find the closest match, and many other concepts are something we are going to discuss in this series or this section of the tutorial, which is content based recommendation system. All right, thank you.